Hello, guys. Welcome to the fourth episode of Trader Talk Sunday with Chat with IK. So I'm so sorry this fourth episode took so long. It's been 2 weeks since I dropped the last episode, which was the third episode. Now this is the fourth episode. So I'm sorry for taking so long. So with no too much talking, let's get started with this episode. As you can see on my screen, I'm on a buy trade on USD CAD. I'm on a buy trade on USD CAD, and I want to um, analyze, like, show why I took this buy trade on this fourth episode. So yeah, let's get started. So so why did I took this trade? What was my reason? What was the confluence behind this trade? What was the technical analysis uh, point of taking this trade? So if we go to the weekly time frame, I have a couple of zone of support and resistance on my chart, but I will talk about these two weekly support and resistance. So at the time, at I think um last month, I think so, last month, April, the market was around this support level right here. So, and I was looking at this very closely. At the same time, when the market was at this support level right here, then DXY was still at this support level right here, trying to create a double bottom. So let's go with DXY first. So DXY, let's start with DXY, because DXY is what I used to get my trigger, or my the most confluence I use for my trade. So on, like, the previous weeks, DXY created this double top right here, then break this neckline, come to this next support level, and also tried to break the previous support to create to continue going down to the next support level. But the dollar was not ready for more drop to the downside, and it stopped here. So when the market get to this support level, I was like closely looking at the market to see what will happen. So I was watching, and market failed to break the previous low, and market started creating some bullish momentum. I was closely looking at this whole setup, and I have two things in mind. If the market could not break this previous low, two things is going to happen. Is the first case scenario is either we come here and break the neckline, then retest and go up, or the second case scenario is we create double top, also come back down and go to the next support level. So I was kind of waiting for the market to decide before I take action. So then on the 15th of May, on Friday, market broke above the neckline. I was like, now we have direction to trade on. So now we have direction. We have roughly from 99 to 100, or 110, or sorry, on 100.5. So we have roughly 150 pips on USD, on the dollar index to trade with. So this breakout here confirmed the direction for the dollar, which was bullish. So then I was looking for opportunities on GBP USD, Euro USD, all this my pair. But the one that caught my attention was USD card. Was USD card. Um so now let me analyze USD card also. So this was the support on the weekly time frame. So and I know that okay, this support is a very strong support because we have had a couple of rejection or market reaction from this support level. Please, this is the second time I'm making this video. The first one I made, I forgot to record to screen record my chart, and that was so painful. So let's continue. So we have couple of rejection from this support level, and every time the market reacts from this support level, we usually go to like to the next to the resistance level, which market is a little bit ranging on USD card. So after the rejection from this level, then go to the daily time frame to also check out for my entry analysis. So I map out this very good resistance zone around somewhere here, and I will show you guys how I use this zone to take my trade. This my USD card buy. The entry I used is different from my major entry, which is counter trend line break entry. This I also use this entry to daily entry. So if you take a look at this resistance level right here, resistance support level, whatever way you see it as, at in this case scenario, it was used as a resistance, not as support. So we have multiple reaction from this zone. We have rejection here, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have up to like 8 to 9 market reaction from this level. So how do I use this zone or this resistance for buy um, entry? If you take a look at this resistance level right here, every time the market breaks above this resistance level on the daily time frame, like daily time frame close, every time the daily candle close above this resistance level, the market push to my major resistance level. So this was the first case scenario. We have this push, fine. Then also this was the second time when the market breaks above this resistance level on the daily candle close, will push to the next to my major resistance level. I was like, okay, fine. That means if the market do this shit again, this break again, I'll go for buy. And eventually, the market breaks above again the third time. First time, second time. Now this is the third time. So after the daily candle break, I went for long position around somewhere here. No, I think around somewhere here. Then now the difficult part is how to place your stop loss. Some people will be like, I want a very good risk to reward. I want a very good risk to reward. I want to 1 ratio 5, 1 ratio 6, 7, 8. Will come and put their stop loss somewhere here to have a very good risk to reward. But in this case, it might work for you. But what I did is I like to put my stop loss where it's usually very difficult for it to manipulate me, for the market to manipulate me. Because this market is full of manipulation if you are not careful. So I said, okay, I was going to put my stop loss below the 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 previous daily close, which was somewhere here. I used 55 pips for my SN, and my TP was, yeah, which was 1:3. My TP for this trade is 1:3. 55 pips stop loss and then 167 pips take profit, which is 1:3. So that's how I took this trade on USD card. So we are running in profit. I'm running in profit, and if this trade hits my take profit, I will pass my phase one. I will pass my phase one. And the reason why to pass this um, um account is, it's just my psychology. So the reason why to pass this my um prop account is taking time is just my psychology. My psychology is the reason, but I'm getting better. I'm facing it. My analysis is not the issue. It's just my psychology, because I predicted this old drop, but I did not use it to pass my account, which was psychological issue. But I'm getting better day by day. We never give up. So I'm on this trade, and if this trade hits my full TP, I will pass my phase one account. So then we go phase two. So I'm very very confident on this trade, because it aligns with all my technical analysis, all my plans, and I have jotted this trade down. And if this trade gets to this minor resistance here, I might, or I will break even my trade. But here it's a minor resistance level. But there's a way I use this level. So yeah, that's the trade for the previous week. I'm still holding my buys. Not I've not break even yet. So still my trade is still open, because it has not got into my break even um zone, which is this resistance right here. So the dollar index is looking very good. Looking very good. We still have this whole space to cover. So let's see how this new week goes. Yeah. So and let's take a look at the news page. There's no major news on Monday, no major news on Tuesday, and there's no news up until Thursday. So the Thursday news is this um, GDP says the dollar will be very bullish, because the previous GDP release was 0.7, and they are predicting it will go from 0.7 to 2.1, which is very 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 high. So if this prediction comes true, then that means the dollar index will be very bullish on Thursday. So and if you check again, we have card news on Friday, 1:30 p.m. GDP on card, and it is saying that card will be bearish. If card is bearish and dollar is bullish, which means my trade will be bullish. So you see, before checking the news, everything, my technical analysis has already told me that the card is weak at this moment and the dollar will be bullish. So I don't I don't like usually I don't care about fundamental analysis, just technical, because technical controls fundamental. So that is all for this episode. I'm still on the buy trade, so let's see how everything goes. Yeah, thank you for watching this episode. Thank you for staying on this channel. Please subscribe to this channel, and I will try to find a way to be showing my face on the screen. I'll try my I'll find a way to start showing my face very soon. So thank you for watching this fourth episode, and then stay tuned for the fifth episode next Sunday. So thank you for tuning in. See you on the next episode. Yeah.